looking beautiful.
You know the nicest place that we had? Remember we went to Cyprus?
Yeah, Cypress Bend.
Cyprus, it was right on the beach.
Yes.
We went looking for it and we found that dead fish scales. Come on, baby. No, it's the grass. No,
What'd you do with my phone?
it's either in the RV or it's in the truck.
I ain't sitting in the truck. I'm gonna go get the computer set up and see can I join in on the meeting. Couldn't wear that until today.
Well, hopefully, that don't look like it's going to storm. It looks nice over there.
They saying Wednesday afternoon. So what we'll do is around Tuesday night, we'll start trying to figure out if it's gonna hit us or head our way. And it's so that's what the RV's for. We'll just head away from wherever the tropical depression is gonna happen. And if it's 40-mile-an-hour winds or whatever, we'll just ride it out.
That's what he said.
That's what I say.
That's what he said.
You can't drive the truck. You can't pull the RV. You stuck with me.
I can call and complain.
Call and complain to who?
Whoever listen.
Whatever. You call Alicia, call Bridget, see what they say. They help
Bridget
you.
gonna be on my side. She gonna say, "Get the heck out of there."
You were saying you was going to look on Tuesday and leave. Not that you may ride it out.
Thank you.
No, I'll make a decision on Tuesday. See, it's not guaranteed it's coming this way. It could go toward Houston, wherever, which I hope it dissipates and don't go nowhere. But, I'll make my determination.
We'll make our determination.
Yeah. I lost you.
You and Aunt Tanya are making a determination.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.
Now, I think you heard me right the first time.
Did you tell her about our
I'm
lucky?
Arthur Anderson's brother.
Did you tell her about our lucky golf cart?
Yes, but Aunt Tanya don't play that.
I'll say that again.
Yeah, she's a little different than Velma, but sorry, I've been trying to train her. I know, I heard. Something bother you?
What a great day.
I know, right?
Oh, you really eating your now?
Good morning, YouTube fam, and welcome to another episode of This and That Family. We're not calling this one Fish and That because for the first time, y'all gonna get a little bit of cooking, get a little bit of camping, and get a little bit of fishing. We're at Indian Creek Campground, close to Alexandria, Louisiana. It's about an hour and a half drive. Yeah, the keys are inside, babe. About an hour and a half drive from our home. And this is actually our favorite campground. The reason it's our favorite campground, this is the first place we ever camped. And I'm talking primitive camp, tent, whole 9 yards. So family, without a whole lot of ado, we're gonna let that sit out there today. And for the first time, I set my rig up the way it was meant to be. I have it where it would trigger. If a fish bites it, it takes off with it. It'll actually trigger it and it'll set the hook on its own. And yes, y'all are gonna see some tight lining or some bottom fishing on this episode. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna split this up into 2 or 3 different videos because we are going to be here at least 4 days, fam. So fam, this should be some good content. I am gonna love it. Check out our campsite. Booyah! We're right there. We have our Transcend Explorer. We got the pickup truck. We got our neighbors. Booyah! We got Fitzgerald up there chilling, and we got Lady Red on the inside. And yes, it's a new month, and she's not celebrating her birthday any longer. All right, fam. We do have some turtles, so we're gonna let that sit. Never know. Oh, I see a turtle right over yonder. Probably headed toward my barber. But we gotta do what we gotta do, fam. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. This may be a good one. Bam, I think something's torn with that bobber. It might be a turtle. Check it out. It's doing a little dance. At least it was. Y'all saw that? That's a fish, I believe. I don't think that's a turtle. That quick movement like that, usually a small fish. Come on, put a ring on it. All right, fam, just as I suspected, I've been robbed. That's a good sign. That means there's fishies out yonder. First victim of the day. Oh yeah. All right, fam. There it is, our first victim of the morning. He's not a keeper. Nice little red ear. If I was hungry, I could feed myself, but not Lady Red and Fitzgerald. All right, fam. There it is. There's fish in them there waters. It's gonna be a good week. To get that hook out and get him back out there. Let's let him go. All right, fam. We decided to go with Tom Thumb. She's already set up for some pan fishing. That's our small little 200 series reel. This has a 4, 3, and 1 ratio. We got about 2 foot of line and our weighted bobber. Let's see what we can do. All right, fam. Victim number 2. Y'all saw how I dropped that other pole when I saw that barber go down? Oh yeah, it was time to take care of business. All right, there's fishing in their water. Lady Red always say, I never get to see you catch a fish. She got a front row seat. There you go, fam. It's got a front row seat. Got Fitzgerald over here, front row seat. We brought our Ingway e-bike. We'll be talking about that more as the week goes on. All right, fam. Let's get y'all a little closer to the action, shall we? as I cast in. Are y'all seeing that? Where are you in y'all way? Man, that dude got a little fight to him. Ooh, yeah. Man, I might have to go get the ice chest. It's time to sit down. See, can we salvage this word for one more time? ABC number 3. Right. I'm loving it. Bam. Short. Life too short not to have fun. Nice cast. Now let's see if it produces a fish. Put a ring on it. Got it. Oh. That feels pretty good, y'all. Bam. Our first Cadillac. Boy. Do we keep him? All right. Calm down. Calm down. That is a fat little dude. Ow! Man, he got a strong bite. All right, don't stick your finger in there. All right, lesson to self. Where are my pliers? Well, he took that down. Something pretty big just raised his head up out there. All right, fam. Day 2. I guess it's about 11 o'clock, and I'm done with fishing this morning, and we are headed to what is called the primitive campsites. Primitive is just your tent, or I think you could bring your vehicle down here and sleep in your vehicle, but it's a little too rough. I wouldn't bring an RV down here, but this is what they call primitive area. You can just pick anywhere you want and set your tent up. And you might see some deer out here. You never know. Every time we've been out here before, we've seen deer. Keep your eyes open for deer. Looking for deer, y'all. Whoa, whoa. Fitzgerald, you remember this spot? All right, fam. This is the first time me and Lady Red ever camped that wasn't military related was right here in this spot. We set up our tent. Deer. Hey, I saw some footprints over there by the RV. But yeah, this is the first time we ever camped. We set our tent up right there. We didn't even know how to set up our tent, and it was pouring rain. So we would run back and forth to the Jeep, look at the video,
Okay, well, let me
run
tell you
back and try to,
story.
what?
Roselle was supposed to watch the video on how to hook up the tent. He was like, anybody could do it, anybody could do it. Who was watching the video putting up the tent in the room?
Me?
You.
You told me to watch the video, you didn't say when.
Before we got here. And so we here, ain't nobody, we just sitting there looking at the other kids. They got a tarp down
And we
there.
were gonna leave,
We
then
were
I
gonna
said,
leave.
if those kids are gonna stay with a tarp,
Yeah,
I
we're
am
gonna
not gonna
stay.
let them beat me.
So that's how we ended up camping for the first time. It's a great story.
A great memory. And that's what started our camping.
That's awesome.
Yep. And we
First
camped,
time we ever camped was at Sam Houston. That's the first time we ever camped.
you and Quentin.
We were in a tent, and he took me to go get logs. I thought we were gonna go do something fun, and he was taking me to go get logs for the fire.
Yep.
Remember that?
That was fun.
Set up the tent.
Yeah, he was there. Yeah, and it ended up we really enjoyed it.
Camping is fun.
I like it.
Alligator was down there.
I didn't go all the way there. We didn't go all the way down. There was a guy down there with his boat.
Okay. Yeah, we thought there was an alligator down there. We was like, oh,
You thought there was an alligator.
decided to. That's when I believe.
I'm not scared.
That's when I believe that this bracelet will keep the mosquitoes away. Remember, I had bracelets all around for
Oh,
the girl's
yeah.
neck.
Mama, this stuff works really well.
Tanya! It looks like an alligator. It might not be. All right, fam, hold on. See right through there? Look at that head. That a gator?
The little nub. Oh yeah, that's gotta be a gator.
That's a gator, I think.
That's a
Maybe
gator.
a little gator, but that's a
Whoa.
gator.
Yeah, that's a gator.
That's a gator.
Get away from him. Get away from him. Come on, fish.
There's a horse fly I got. There you go. He on me.
There you go. Oh, wait a minute.
I know, right? I didn't kill him. He just went under. All right. That's a good solution, the battery compartment.
Yeah. He figured that out himself.
He did?
Yeah. I want a camper like that for our truck. I think they're going to pull that with his truck. They can only camp with y'all so the children can sleep with y'all though.
Well, that'd be a negative.
No, that's a good solution.
Sucks. All right, y'all pull it off.
Let's see, put some shoes on.
Can you
I
take
see
this
one of
out
those red
so I
and
can
black
see?
ants that we see.